Welcome to the best picks. The best white barn door is probably one of the most versatile and aesthetically pleasing additions you can make to your home, offering a rustic charm that can seamlessly blend with various interior design styles, from farmhouse chic to modern minimalist. Whether you're looking to divide a space, add a unique focal point, or simply enhance the character of a room, a white barn door provides a timeless appeal and practical functionality that's hard to beat. Its bright, clean finish can also make smaller spaces feel larger and more open, reflecting light and adding an airy feel that's incredibly inviting. Number 5. DWVO 72 Farmhouse Pantry Cabinet. Discover ample storage with 5 shelves, a large drawer, and generous shelving. Its charming barn doors not only add style but also keep your belongings safe and dust-free. Experience a blend of modern rustic and vintage farmhouse charm. This piece features a sleek finish and a barn door design with black metal accents, perfect for any home aesthetic. This tall cabinet offers versatile organization with adjustable shelves. Customize the interior space to fit your needs, making it ideal for any room in your home. Crafted from durable P2 MDF, this cabinet boasts a solid foundation capable of supporting up to 400 pounds. It's a sturdy and reliable storage solution for any space. Assembly is a breeze with clear instructions and included tools. Plus, keeping it clean is simple, just use a damp rag. This elegant sideboard is designed for both style and function. It provides a sophisticated storage solution that complements any room, from the kitchen to the living room. What we like? This cabinet offers exceptional storage with its multiple shelves and drawer, all behind stylish barn doors. If you need to organize a large amount of kitchen or dining room items and appreciate a rustic aesthetic, this is an excellent choice. Its robust construction ensures it can handle significant weight, making it ideal for heavy items. What people say? The barn door is made of solid wood, which gives it a sturdy and high-quality feel. The distressed white finish is beautiful and adds a rustic charm to the room. The sliding mechanism is smooth and quiet, making it easy to open and close the door. Number 4. SARTODOORS Quadro 4002 White Modern Sliding Barn Door. Introducing the SARTODOORS Quadro 4002, a sleek, modern sliding barn door designed to enhance your interior space. Its frosted glass and white finish offer a clean, contemporary look. This set comes with everything you need for installation. It includes the door slab, a stainless steel rail track, hangers, guides, stops, and all necessary screws for a hassle-free setup. Maximize your living area with this functional barn door. It slides smoothly along a track, eliminating the need for traditional door frames and saving valuable space. Crafted from solid pine wood with an eco-veneer finish, it's built for durability. Enjoy its scratch and stain-resistant surface, ensuring easy cleaning and long-lasting quality. Need a specific size? This door can be trimmed to fit your unique dimensions. Various hardware sizes and finishes are also available to perfectly match your style. Ideal for closets or any room needing a stylish, space-efficient door. The included hardware kit makes installation straightforward. What we like? This interior sliding barn door comes with everything you need for installation, including the rail and all hardware. If you're looking for a modern touch with a hint of privacy thanks to the frosted glass, and want a hassle-free setup, this is perfect. It's a great option for closets or any room where you want a sleek, space-saving door. What people say? The barn door is made of solid wood, which gives it a sturdy and high-quality feel. The sliding mechanism is smooth and quiet, making it easy to open and close the door. The distressed white finish adds a rustic charm to the room, complementing various decor styles. Number 3. 30 inches x 84 inches white H-frame sliding barn door. Transform your space with our stylish barn door. It comes with all the necessary hardware and clear instructions for a hassle-free setup, no professional needed. Skip the painting and assembly time. Our pre-finished door is ready to install in about an hour, saving you time and money. Enjoy lasting beauty with its waterproof and scratch-resistant PVC surface. It's easy to clean and perfect for busy households, even with pets. Achieve a perfect, glossy white finish effortlessly. The laminated surface ensures a smooth, even color that traditional painted doors can't match. This 30 inches x 84 inches door is designed for convenience. It features pre-drilled holes and a groove for easy installation of hardware and guides. Everything you need is included: the door slab, hardware kit, handle, floor guide, and all necessary tools. Plus, we offer online support. What we like. This barn door is designed for quick and easy DIY installation, featuring a waterproof and scratch-resistant PVC surface. If you're a beginner looking for a durable and low-maintenance door that can be assembled in about an hour, this is a fantastic option. Its smooth white finish is perfect for a clean, modern look. What people say. The barn door is a great addition to my home, adding a rustic charm that complements my decor perfectly. The installation was straightforward, and the door slides smoothly on its track, making it both functional and aesthetically pleasing. The quality of the wood is excellent, and the white finish is durable and easy to clean, maintaining its pristine look over time. Number 2. 36 inches white H-frame sliding barn door. Transform your space with this stunning barn door. Everything you need for assembly is included, making installation a breeze. Plus, we offer online guides for extra support. Forget the hassle of painting and assembly. This door comes ready to install, allowing you to enjoy your new barn door in under an hour. Crafted for longevity, its waterproof and scratch-resistant surface ensures it stays beautiful and is easy to clean, even with pets around. Achieve a perfect, glossy white finish effortlessly. The advanced PVC covering provides a smooth, even color that paint can't match. Measuring 36 inches x 84 inches, this door features pre-drilled holes and a bottom groove for seamless integration with your hardware and floor guide. What we like. Similar to the other PVC-covered option, this door boasts a durable, waterproof, and scratch-resistant surface, making it ideal for busy households. If you need a slightly longer hardware kit, 6.6 feet, for a wider opening or prefer the convenience of pre-drilled holes and easy assembly, this is a great choice. It's perfect for adding a stylish and resilient barn door to any room. What people say. The barn door is very sturdy and well-made. The white finish is beautiful and looks great in my farmhouse-style living room. The sliding mechanism is smooth and quiet, making it easy to open and close. Number 1. 30x84 sliding barn door with 5-foot hardware kit. Introducing our beautiful sliding barn door, designed to enhance any room in your home. Its classic H-frame design and white finish offer a timeless appeal. Crafted from CARB P2 certified MDF, this door is made with pine wood and other wood components. It's harder and more durable than natural wood, ensuring long-lasting quality. Perfect for DIY enthusiasts, this door comes with pre-drilled holes and a comprehensive installation manual. Enjoy a simple and meaningful assembly process with your family. The package includes everything you need: a 30x84 barn door, a 5-foot hardware kit, a stylish 12-handle, and floor guides for smooth operation. Featuring a high-quality white PVC surface, it's laminated for a waterproof and scratch-resistant finish. Cleaning is a breeze, making it ideal for everyday use. This sliding door is perfect for various spaces like your dining room, living room, bathroom, or kitchen. It helps save valuable home space while adding a touch of style. What we like. This sliding barn door offers a durable, waterproof, and scratch-resistant PVC surface on an MDF core, ensuring longevity and easy cleaning. If you're a DIY enthusiast looking for a straightforward installation process with all necessary hardware and instructions included, this is an excellent pick. It's suitable for various rooms and provides a space-saving solution with a clean, white aesthetic. What people say. The barn door is made of solid wood, which gives it a sturdy and high-quality feel. The rustic design of the barn door adds a unique charm to the room, and it's a great conversation starter. Installation was straightforward, and all the necessary hardware was included in the package. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.